Ekow Black has been granted bail. Now, Ekow Black, who is a TikToker and then a social media influencer, he was granted bail at the Accra or at the Adabraka Magistrates Court this afternoon for 30,000 Ghana cedis and two sureties. So last week we saw a video trending where Ekow Black was laying his hands or beating a lady in the video. So this is what triggered Ghana police to invite him to the head office, and then he has been arrested. So he was remanded for days, and then today, which is Wednesday, the 21st of January 2026, he was arraigned before the court at Adabraka Magistrate Court. So the matter went on, and then it was discussed in court, and then his lawyer has been able to get a bail of 30,000 Ghana cedis for him. So we followed the issue, and then we're at the courts to see what was happening. So this is merely an update of whatever is happening between the Ekow Black case. So the case is actually the states versus Ekow Black. So I have a court sheet with me here. Let me just read the details on the court sheet. So this is in the district courts, Accra, Adabraka, and then case number, blah, blah, blah. And then this is, let me just go ahead and read. The Republic versus Christopher Afadu Danfo, aka Ekow Black. So that is his name, Christopher. Statement of offense. So he was officially charged with assault. So if I read here, it is assault. Contrary to sections 84 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29. Particulars of offense. Christopher Afadu Danfo, aka Ekow Black, age 25, unemployed. For that, let me read. For that you, wait, brofu Beni. For that you on 30th November 2026. Hey, November. No, this thing should have been 2025. But let me read anyways. For that you on 30th November 2026 at Accra in the Greater Accra Magistral District and within the jurisdiction of this court without the consent of Rachel Odru and with the intent to cause harm and pain on her, you subjected her to severe beating. So this looks like it is a mistake. It should have been November 2025, but this is 2026. I'm sure they've not realized, or they didn't realize this mistake. So what went on in court, we had to pull up at the Adabraka Magistrate Court to find out or to follow up on whatever was happening. So this is just an update of whatever is happening between the state and then Ekow Black. So we got to the court at 10 a.m. today, and then if so, from what I read, it says without the consent of Rachel Odru. So the lady in question, that is Rachel, wasn't available in the courtroom. But you know, whenever it is the state against anybody, the state provides an attorney or a lawyer from the state. So the state's lawyer was there. That is why the issue or the court hearing was still in place or happened, because the Republic's lawyer was available. So the issue had to be read, and then they got a bail for Ekow Black. So we are still going to follow up on the issue and then see what happened. Today, Ekow Black was seen in a very sad mood, you understand? And then I'm sure he's rethinking his decisions or whatever he did that got him into that position. But then, you know, you shouldn't be laying your hands on women, you understand? Even fighting in general, you shouldn't be doing that, especially when you know there are cameras. Today's age of social media, where anything you do and then it's posted on social media, you target Ghana police there. So his parents were there, but then the parents refused to speak on the issue. His lawyer came down with him, but then also decided not to comment on the issue or grant any public commentaries. And then the families of Rachel, that is the lady in question, was didn't also speak to the media. You understand? So we also keep following on the issue, and then we see what is going to happen. But then the issue has been adjourned after the bill was given. So that is a 30,000 Ghana cedis bill given for Ekow Black, and then with 2 sureties. So they had to go to their houses, and then the houses of the sureties, and then the house of Ekow Black, to see where they live before finally it is signed or something, and then the bill is finally granted. So the next court hearing is on the 10th of February 2026. So we'll be looking forward to going to the court again to see how things are going to go. I'm just hoping that on 10th is the final day the judge is going to give her verdict. So the judge in this case is a woman, you understand? And then since it be woman matter, I sure see. I don't know. I can't. This is an issue that is in court, so we can't say or comment on issues like that. You understand? So we only have to give you the news. So whatever will happen in court, after it has happened, then we can come and brief you or report to you. My name is Loki. This is Let's Cook. You understand? And subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments in the comment section. I've seen so many reactions on social media concerning this issue, but then I know you also have your comments. Anything you know about him, you can just drop it in the comment section. And anything you think about the issue also, you can also drop it. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share the videos as well. I'll see you in the next one with the updates. Thank you guys.